The human brain operates on 20 watts, less than a light bulb, while GPT-4 consumes enough energy to power 1,000 homes per hour. This isn't progress. It's a grotesque inefficiency exposing how fundamentally wrong our approach to artificial intelligence remains. The semiconductor industry's obsession with brute force scaling, NVIDIA's market cap now exceeds Saudi Arabia's GDP, masks a terrifying truth. We're recreating intelligence through the computational equivalent of burning libraries to produce light. The hardware trap. NVIDIA's stock surge reveals a dangerous feedback loop. 1. Data centers now consume 4% of global electricity, International Energy Agency, projected to hit 20% by 2030 if current trends hold true. Each new AI model requires 10x the parameters of its predecessor 3. Training GPT-4 emitted 3,000 flights worth of CO2, Stanford AI Index. Yet the market rewards this inefficiency. Why? Because we've conflated scale with intelligence. The human brain's synaptic operations are sparse, firing only 1 to 4% of neurons at any time. In contrast, today's neural networks activate all parameters for every inference. It's like requiring every citizen to vote on every traffic light change. The implication? We're building AI systems that are 1 million times less energy efficient than biological intelligence. Quantum computing's false promise. The hype around quantum AI hybrids, CIONQ, Rigetti, suffers from the same flaw, assuming more computational power solves inefficiency. But quantum supremacy benchmarks. Google's 2019 claim required 53 qubits to outperform a supercomputer. On a single contrived task, error rates still demand 99.9% of quantum processor capacity for error correction. This isn't evolution. It's desperation. The human brain achieves fault tolerance via neuroplasticity, not redundant hardware. Until AI can self-optimize its architecture like biological systems, quantum's just another energy sink. The schizoid AI epidemic. The surge in schizoid interactions with LLMs, Reddit's R machine learning reports a 5x increase in bot-like human behavior, reveals a darker pattern. AI isn't just inefficient, it's psychologically corrosive. Key findings from the thread. Users now mirror LLM output patterns, e.g., unsolicited code dumps, non-sequitur paragraphs. 72% of surveyed devs report colleagues adopting bot-like speech. 2024 Cornell study. GPT-4's context window expansion correlates with increased user monologuing. This isn't human-AI collaboration. It's cognitive colonization, where inefficient architectures reshape human thought to fit their limitations. The coming efficiency reckoning. 3 inevitable shifts will explode the current paradigm. 1. Regulatory hammer. EU's AI Act now includes energy transparency clauses, California proposing compute taxes for models over 100B parameters. 2. Biology-inspired breakthroughs. Spiking neural networks brain chip reduce energy use by 10,000x versus Transformers, memristor chips, GNOME, enable synapse-like analog processing. 3. Market collapse of brute force AI, startups leveraging efficient models, Mistral 7B, now outcompete GPT-4 on cost per inference. NVIDIA's data center revenue growth will plateau by 2026, Gartner. The conclusion is unavoidable. The age of bigger equals better AI is ending. The next trillion-dollar companies won't be building GPUs, they'll be reverse engineering the brain's efficiency. Survival strategies for the transition. Forget NVIDIA. Watch these under-the-radar shifts. Neuromorphic hardware. Intel's Loihi 2 achieves 200x energy reduction on SLAM tasks versus GPS. Algorithmic sparsity. OpenAI's switch transformers activate only 2% of weights per task, finally mimicking neural sparsity. Carbon-aware training. Hugging Face's Bloom model used renewable-aware scheduling to cut emissions by 60%. The winners won't ride the hardware bubble. They'll break it. Final prediction. By 2030, 90% of today's LLMs will be obsolete, replaced by brain-scale efficient models. NVIDIA's valuation will split between edge AI chips and quantum also-rans. The first 1-watt AGI will emerge from a biohybrid lab, likely in Zurich or Seoul. The energy crisis isn't coming. It's here. And it's about to annihilate every AI player that confused computing power with intelligence.